way. You know, it just breaks my heart that there's people like that in the world. You know, they can take advantage of good people. And I personally think there was something more than this.
What do you mean?
I don't think John would have ever taken his life and left his mother in the shape that he did. Yes, he probably would have ended up killing himself, but I think it came prematurely.
Evidently, this is how dark this feud has become.
I think he drank cyanide, but I think he was forced to drink cyanide. I think he was probably intoxicated, and someone just cheered him on, and it was something he wanted to do eventually anyway, and he just did it prematurely.
And someone 10 years later.
I think they dropped the ball on this one. I really do. I think John and Tyler had an argument. I think he probably got fed up with John, and I told him on speculate.
Keeping Mary Grace in the house. Rita says Mary Grace's nurses told her living in a dark room like that can cause a dementia patient to lose track of time. In Mary Grace's case, Rita believes she lost 10 years because she knew when her birthday was and said she was 78 turning 79 instead of 88 turning 89, which is the age she actually was. Rita and Charlie have lived for years, but they both grew up here and so they kept in touch with John and Mary Grace over the years and visited them on trips back to Alabama. So Rita says she feels embarrassed and mad at herself that she didn't put together what was going on and intervene sooner. I'm glad to hear Mary Grace is doing better, I tell her. By now the sun is set. Rita and Charlie and I are standing in a dark, empty parking lot. This was not police station to report it. And who should be there but Jerry Lightsey.
And when I walk in, Jerry just hits me with all barrels saying, "You have got to quit lying by Tyler's house. You have got to quit harassing him or I'm going to have to arrest you." And I'm like, "You gotta be kidding me! Do you mean to tell me I can't drive down a public road, but he can go over to Mary Grace's and steal all of her stuff?" Which I didn't really say stuff, I'm an old man. And then, you know, he's like, "Lady, you gotta back off." And I thought, wow, I think he's on Tyler's side. I don't know. That's why I don't trust Lightsey. I'm telling that to his face. I'm not talking behind his back.
About what it was like just as he was entering high school to have Rodney get convicted for sexually abusing a child, to have to suddenly cram with his family into his grandmother's house, and have everybody at school know what was going on. About what it's like to have your license suspended for failing to pay a fine one time for a minor traffic offense, and then to keep getting pulled over again and again because you have no other way to get to work in rural Alabama, so you're driving without the license, and the fines keep mounting, what John called fine slavery, and so much of the money you do manage to make you have to shovel right back over to the courts, the lawyers, about what all that does to your worldview.
I know I got some bad luck, I tell you that. I just expect the worst to happen everywhere I go. It's just like when I get surprised that it don't.
Getting robbed with dad is a bad thing. A cashier refusing to sell you beer at Walmart because you happen not to have a Bell ID with you. Not so much. But Tyler complains about that kind of thing all the same, bouncing between many grievances, between big injustices he's experienced and petty ones. He and I have had long, sometimes frustrating talks about this, where I've tried to understand his justification for some of the choices he makes. Like earlier on, when